Welcome to the Cosmos web portal tutorial about skin permeability estimation. Dermal absorption is strongly dependent on the substance-specific skin permeability coefficient Kp. The Kp prediction here is based on Potts and Guy, but additionally employs more data and statistical data quality based on Steinmetz-et-al. Lipophilicity and molecular volume are here the important factors to build this simple skin permeability model. The QSPR can be seen here, and how we developed from this QSPR a workflow which works in the web portal can be seen below. To use the web portal, you need to have a registered account. The link to get to this page you can see in the description. You can find the link, and of course you can register for free. So basically you log in, then look for the workflow for skin permeability. You find it in the absorption folder. So you open this, and this is the actual workflow, and you simply press start and draw a structure of interest. Afterwards you click next, and voila, you find your predicted Kp value. More details you can find on Cosmos Base, so how the workflow was developed and how the performance is. So thank you for watching.